You can order the headlight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your engine and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. You can now access the holding screws on the headlight. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two upper screws on the headlight. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the plastic rivet from the rubber cover. Then take off the cover. You now have access to the third screw holding the headlight block. Unscrew them using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then, pull it out to the front to disengage the locating pins from their housing in the front fender. Remove the electrical connections from the high and low beam bulb, the parking light bulb, and the turn signal bulb. You can now order the headlight used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new headlight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. Replace the electrical connections of the bulbs. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. The light is held in place by plastic studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Remove the protective film. Screw the 3 screws holding the headlight back in place. Put the plastic cover back on, then put the rivet back in. Operation complete.